Check out this pre-owned 2014 Chevrolet. This two-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 168,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Shop by confidence. We have a biggest selection of used trucks for sale. Just check out our website on the Get Pre-Approved tab and get approved in 5 minutes. We also offer rates as low as 3.19% on approved credit, and can take all vehicles, paid for or not, on trade. Value your trade-in. More questions? Just call or text us at 281-377-9444.